Hey loves, I know you love my look and I'm loving this look too. I did this around, it's like 2 a.m. in the morning, so I don't want to shout. But this video today basically is to tell you about the upcoming giveaway that is sponsored by iMethod. iMethod gave me the opportunity to give out three of their products to three amazing people. All you need to do is head to my Instagram. Uh-huh. You know what to do. So follow me on Instagram. Follow iMethod on Instagram. I'm going to drop everything somewhere as I'm talking. It will pop up on the screen or something like that. So you go follow me on Instagram. Follow iMethod on Instagram. Subscribe to iMethod Beauty on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. And when I leave the video of this look, you can also like and leave a comment. That is optional, but it's very compulsory for you to follow me on Instagram, follow iMethod, and subscribe to iMethod and to my channel to qualify for this giveaway. So I'm going to be announcing the winners of this giveaway next week Monday, which I'm going to randomly pick. So you can go through my videos, you can check if you know you might be lucky. If your name pops up a couple of times, you might just be lucky to be picked. So they gave me a lot of things before now. They gave me their eyebrow wax, they gave me their lip plumper. It's a plumping lip gloss that is, when you use it, it feels really good. I've been using it for a while now. It's tinted actually, so I went for this shade. They have the ones that are like nude, they have the ones that are like coral peach, but this one is more like the red kind of color, and I love it so much. And they also have eyeliners, they have eyeliner stamps, they have eyebrow stamps, they have lots of things. They're really coming up and they're doing very well. So to encourage them, please do this. And they're sponsoring this video, so they deserve it. Please follow them, subscribe to their channel, and I'll see you next week. Don't forget to like the video of this makeup, which I'm going to be dropping the link to in the description box of this video. Thank you.